What is going on, my dudes? It is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back to some more device mod development where we're going to be working on some more stuffs. Alright? More stuffs in the chat right now. So yeah, I'm not really sure what we were going to work on today. We're going to work on just everything in the device mod today. Everything in the device mod. So we might do a little bit of the App Store, we might do a bit of this, bit of that. You know how it is, but hopefully you guys had an amazing weekend. I know I didn't stream yesterday. I was going to stream yesterday, but unfortunately I didn't have the time. It was actually Mother's Day here in Australia. It was Mother's Day here in Australia yesterday, so if you're an Australian, I'm not sure, I think it's like Mother's Day like in British countries. So like Canada, UK, that type of stuff. So if you were from those type of countries and it was Mother's Day yesterday, hopefully you guys spoiled your mother, and hopefully if maybe just I hope everybody just had an amazing day yesterday. I hope everybody had an amazing day yesterday. But yeah. There's no but. There's no but. We're just gonna go ahead and get straight into this. We're gonna switch over to the coding layout here. I'm gonna take that down. Sorry. Alright, that's a bit better. Switch over to coding layout. Oh damn, look at that transition. Absolutely amazing. I see you guys in the chat. Mr. Latefish. Hey now. Hey now. I'm not Mr. Latefish. I've never been Latefish. When number 100, why are you holding back still? Because number 100 is supposed to be a good live stream. It's supposed to be an amazing live stream. So I want to like make something big for it. I better work on it this week. I better get something ready for it this week. For me it is, and it's Brazil. Okay, make a virus. Oh my god, dude, you hectic. Hey Cray, I was gone for a while, but my brother got an accident because he fell into the mountain. Sorry, fell into the mountain. What? Doesn't make sense. You accepted my Fortnite request? Yeah, I did, Jackson. I was playing some last night actually. Played some 50v50, just to like 50v50, just so I could like practice a little bit. But I wouldn't mind doing some squads. Squad up. Hey, I got a girlfriend. Hey, Green Bean Games, what's up, dude? And hopefully everybody. I'm seeing my regulars. Where my sponsors at? Where my friends at? Where's the YouTube notifications at? That's what's up with these live streams. Where are they at? Because nobody. I swear, like half my sponsors and people that actually watch these live streams don't get notified. Like, I know there's like tons of people that actually watch my live streams, but they don't get the notification. Can I get a yeet in the chat? Oh my god. Can I get a yeet in the chat? Oh, wait, did I update my notification thing? I'm pretty sure I did. Hold up. Hold on, let me just double check something. I'm just gonna go ahead and check if I actually did. I'm pretty sure I updated my... Where is it? Sponsor emoji. Hold up. Let's see if I can update it right now. It takes like 2 seconds to export. I'm gonna play my NES while watching this. Sounds like a good idea, my dude. Yeet! What are you doing today, Craig? Working on some stuff. Open project. Oh my god, I hate... Like, it doesn't... Oh, there it is. This is what I want. YouTube emoji. I just want to export the new emoji sequence. I should have done it beforehand, but... Oh well, too late now. Too late now. Alright, there we go. I think that's all the latest emojis. Is that all of them, or are we missing one? No, it's all of them. Okay. Got them in order as well. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead. Uh-oh, Penguin Song already. What the heck? Penguin Song right off the bat? That's crazy. Alright, let me just export this real quickly. And then we can actually get on to actually doing some stuff. Sponsor emoji. Hopefully it'll work. I haven't launched it up, so the OBS won't know that it's actually open yet. Export. Yes. Nuts! Damn it! Alright, we can't export it today. Live stream's already started, I don't want to close down OBS. Dang it! When will you hit episode 100? Soon. We're approaching 100. My emoji's on the sponsor emoji list. Yeet! Finally got a girlfriend and she is the best person ever. She's nice, beautiful, brave, and strong. Awesome. What special talents does she have? What special talents does your girlfriend have? Why 9375? It's because we're approaching 100. Basically, if you know maths, if you look at the sequence of numbers that we've been using, we've been going half the distance every time. So from 99 to 100, half of that is 99.5. To 99.5 to 100 is 99.75. Then if you keep going on and doing the calculations, you'll see, you know, the next one would have been 875, and then the next one's going to be 99.9375, and then the next one is going to be 99.9 99.69. I don't know what it is. Something. Somebody could probably get the value. I couldn't do it off the top of my head. Find some exploits, make a virus, do something useful. Why would I make a virus for my own mod? You should do a 6-hour-long live stream for stream 100. That's not a bad idea, actually. Would you guys want to see that? Like a 6-hour-long live stream of device mod? But if you guys enjoyed this video today, make sure remember to go ahead and snap that like button right in half to show your support. And as well, if you guys want to get a shout out, as always, go to my Twitter, link in the description below, and go retweet the tweet that says retweet for a shout out, and then I'll be shouting your name at the end of this live stream today. Really, really simple if you want to get a shout out. So many people ask me, yo, Cray, give me a shout out. I'm like, dude, go over to my Twitter, alright? Then you can get a shout out. Y'all don't get shout outs for free. What is this? Open application. What? That doesn't even make sense. Okay, whatever. Whatever, alright? Whatever. So, let's go ahead, let's take a look at the state of the device mod right now, because I completely forgot what we worked on last. I think it was like the, oh yeah, we started working on the App Store, like the homepage thing for it. Oh yeah, we can develop like a custom component today, so no more scrap mechanic videos. I'd like to do more, I'll just have to see how it goes. Like, maybe I'll do one. Maybe I'll build like, I don't know what I'm gonna build. So many people are like, do I do like community showcases or do I create my own creations? I don't know. They got the new potato gun, which is pretty cool. I think it's out soon. I don't know if it's out yet, but I think it's out soon. Make a virus so every once in a while you have to block a hack. Why? I'm not making viruses anyway. Alright. I just didn't like that. I didn't like the look of that furnace because it is funny. Not really. I don't think anybody finds a virus funny. Can you add a battery so that you can charge laptop, making it more realistic? Yeah, we've already discussed this. It's a planned feature. It's a planned feature. Are you guys like buffering or anything like that? Because like some reason like right now it's like saying I'm buffer like I don't change any of the settings. Sometimes it's like a good all the time, and then sometimes it's okay and then it goes bad. Like, I don't know why it's like so, yeah, it's so all over the place. The live stream is good, okay. I'll trust you guys. Alright. So, App Store. App Market. Ah, beautiful. So we needed to create a custom component which would take in like applications. Now certified apps needs, like, this is gonna be different. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but basically we need to change around a lot of things. We basically need to change around a lot of things to make this certified apps thing work, because basically I want to display certified apps even if you don't have it installed, which means it has to be from like online. So that's gonna require a little bit of work to actually get that done. I might, like, most likely might do that off camera. But we need to change around a lot of the background stuff. Such as when you actually open up an app. When you actually open up a an app page that... When you actually open up an app page that it doesn't take in an app info, it takes in like stuff to fill in this content instead. So you can actually have like an actual resource, or you can have a URL from online, and then it actually fills in this content, because that's the only way we're going to be able to do it. Or we create like an extension, I don't know. Create an extension to it, I don't know. You should make the download speed based on how close the Wi-Fi is. And I don't want to add in fake download speeds. But I don't know, maybe the install process could be like delayed. Maybe closer to the Wi-Fi means it's faster. I know where Sir Pickles is. He's in the attic of your Cray Fine Foods Co. He's in that attic. There is a person killing a pig. You sure? Remember when Long John called you Clayfish? Long John, I forgot. Oh no, he was the worker. Yeah, he was the worker. My god, Long John. Rest in peace, Long John. I don't know where he went. I don't know where Long John went. Make a ransomware? I already said I'm not making viruses. God. I subbed 2 times so I subbed 2 times for you can see my YouTube vids. What? He was a scrub, Long John. True. Long John was scrub. Okay, so what do we want to work on today, guys? We could work on this, or do we work on something else? What do you guys think? App market? Or do we work on one thing like... I don't know if I want to bring it in, because it's a lot of work, and I would like to get like a change out. Get. So we could have like I don't want to make like the app market crazy. I'll say that right now. I don't want to make the app market crazy. Alright. So we need to create like a new component which is going to take in like I'm not making a virus, okay? I'll say that right now. Any more suggestions of virus, I'm just going to ignore it now. You're Aussie, right? Yeah, I am. I'm Australian. I do Australian things. A lot of people say like a lot of people say I don't have like the most Australian accent. What do you guys think? Do I have Australian accent? Do some of the things I say, you guys are like, what the heck is he talking about? The heck he's talking about, eh? Aussies are lit. I'm hanging upside down here. We're on the bottom of the globe. But like, gravity goes this way. Ah! Gravity goes up here. Alright, I've said 100 times I'm not doing the ransomware, soz. Said 100 times I'm not doing it. Okay, so new component, alright. We might want to create a new package for it now. But it's a system application. Don't matter, whatever, let's put it in here. New Java class. What are we going to call this? We might make it called like an app grid. Because like I want to be able to make it dynamic. Like I want to be able to have like, you know, multiple sizes. Hopefully we can do this. Maybe like 3 wide. 3 items. I forgot you have an accent sometimes. More scrap mechanic please, maybe with idealistic squid. Alright, let's say app grid extends. Because if we get this done, we're getting like a lot done. Because like I want the App Store to be a thing in the next update. Alright? I want it to be a thing. Okay? And if we get this done, then we're pretty good to go. Alright, int. And we'll say int horizontal items. I don't know, how do we say this? Horizontal size. Size. Horizontal items. Width, height. Because I don't want to say width or height because like in all my other components they are actually the proper width of the application compared to like, you know, I think it's better if we do this horizontal items, vertical items. Cray, do the floss. I actually can't do it. Oh no, I can kind of do it. I can only do it like slow. I can't do it fast. I'm like super terrible at dancing because I'm like, I'm so uncoordinated. Like dancing, no, I can't do it. I can't play drums. I'm uncoordinated. I can play guitar, kind of. I can play guitar, kind of, because it's not really like a coordinated. It's coordinated, but not really. But I couldn't sing at the same time. I don't think I could sing at the same time. I'm Unco. I'm Unco, guys. I'm Unco. Oh, goodbye, bye. I'm gonna give it one more chance. Oh, Alright, so it's going to be specifically for the App Store only, so it's a public width. Like, this is going to be like hard-coded, basically. Basically going to be hard-coded. Private int horizontal. Yeah, kind. I don't know. Bup, 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 bup. Hey, new sponsor, Fabby50. Welcome back, my dudes. Haven't seen you in the chat for a while. How are you doing? He's back. A warm welcome back to Fabby50. How you doing, my dude? How's feeding? How's feeding? Hey, woo! That's my jam. That song is my jam. I love that song. But welcome back, Fabby50. Hopefully you're doing amazing. We got some new emoji as well. I don't think you've been here for a while, but we got some new emoji. Yeet! Can we get a yeet for Fabby50? Can I get a yeet? Get on sponsor server, I'm alone. We need to have like, there's so many things I want to do, but we need to have like a legit go-kart race. Also, I'm trying to buy a VR headset, but like, I'm trying to get a VR headset, right? And like, I'm either gonna be buying one second hand from another person I know, or I'm gonna be buying it brand new. I would like to buy the second hand one because pretty much they're still good quality, and like this guy has got like extra stuff with it as well. And like, I think it'd be awesome to do like Minecraft VR with like go-karts and like racing, that type of stuff. Like I'll probably like plug in a controller so I can actually do it. Hopefully I can configure it to work. It's almost 4 AM. I'm tired as heck. My bank declined my sponsor renewal for some reason. Had to fix that. They're like, he's been sponsored to Mr. Crayfish for too long. This is suspicious. It's kind of weird they declined it, to be honest. Maybe they didn't like. Maybe they just saw that it was going to YouTube many times and like, YouTube trying to scam me. I don't know, but glad you're back on the train, my dude. 4 AM, damn dude. I should start live streaming earlier so I can join in. I should really start live streaming early. I think it's because like we had daylight savings here, so it put it an hour forward, which then ruined everybody's like timetable schedule, and like there's not a lot I can do about it, like, cause like soon my body just becomes adjusted to the new time, and like it's hard to like go an hour earlier to fix it up. It's the same thing. I still can't super chat. Somehow I managed to sponsor again though. Yeet! We also got daylight savings. Did you go an hour forward or an hour behind? Should be like an hour. I don't know. See ya, Aussie buddy. Thanks, Smart Soldier, for coming along. I'll catch you later. I try to sponsor Cray, but all my cards keep declining. I cry every Tim. Blue Barracuda, that's alright, dude. I appreciate the attempts. An hour forward? Oh my god, dude. You're like, I don't know. You're like, the schedule's completely ruined for you. We need to go back in time. We need to go back in time. Go to the other daylight savings so you can actually join in. Hey, YouTube notified me 25 minutes late. I know that YouTube are good at that, aren't they? Us a lot, you know. Just miss out on the fun stuff that we did at the start of the live stream, and I'll notify you later on. I was literally talking about it as well. I was like, I know there's literally. I was talking about. I'm like, hey, there's sponsors that watch the live stream. Right, there's sponsors that watch the live stream, there's regulars that watch my live stream that don't get notified about when I actually go live. And they're actually active, like actual regulars in my live streams, and they don't get notified. Go check back. Literally watch, I mean, once the live stream's finished, go watch at the start of the live stream where I actually mentioned that. Because I actually did say that, and I knew you were going to say, I knew you were going to be coming late because YouTube notified you late. Get on the sponsor server, Fabby. I was modeling, then the notification showed up. We got a ton of sponsors in the chat right now. You guys are crazy. Just all green, I see. All I see is green. All I see in them greens. All I see in them greens. Yeet. I just wanted to tune in since I couldn't sleep. Well, hopefully my calming voice can put you to sleep, Fabby50. Bit of ASMR for you late at night, 4 AM. This one I call the most relaxing sound in the world. Yeet! He's like just about to get to sleep. Yeet! Wakes up. Cray ASMR. You're on surround system, this is creepy. My microphone's only mono, by the way. I can't do legit ASMR because my microphone's only mono. Cray server fun or I cry. Rest in peace server fun live streams. Nah, I still do them. I still play with you guys. If you guys don't know, I've actually been on the sponsor server a couple of times last week. It's just kind of when you guys aren't really on. I was playing with a couple of people, but not like a crazy amount. I know. Still the whispers. I have a serial microphone, also mono. Because we America. Yeah, pretty much. Alright, so we need to do in... Well, X offset's going to be... What's our... let's figure out int item size. Item width is going to be... Application app store dot layout width take 5 times 2. This will be like int padding equals 5. 5 times 2 because there's 2 on either side, and then the item gap, which will make the padding size as well. Take padding times horizontal items take 1 because there's only 2 gaps. Alright, so that's the width of the items. Longer, remember, and then item height will make like, it's gonna be like the same, but I don't know how much. I don't know how high is good height. 80? I don't know. We'll see. Flips World, stop suggesting you said antivirus, but still, we're not making any sort of viruses or any antivirus. I've only been subbed since this channel was created. It's been like 2 years. I don't know how long it's been on this channel. It's been like over 1 year now. I've had this channel. I'm glad I created it because like, the thing is, I wanted to do these live streams and I did actually do them on my main channel. But like, the thing is like, I didn't want to have like this really advanced content when I had like a lot of like easy friendly videos. Like, it was just like too crazy, so I thought I would develop like a channel where, like, I would say that this channel is like more mature. I mean, I don't swear on it, but I mean, like, it's more mature in that a lot of the people that actually do come to this channel are like, you know, dedicated. They're dedicated. They're responsible people. A lot of you guys actually are a lot older as well, which is nice. Like, some of you guys are my age. Some of you guys are older. I think, how old are you, Fabby50? I think you're like the oldest person here. Or I'm just guessing. He's like, I'm 1 billion. I am 1 billion years old. This channel was created October 15th, real? Oh, 2016. I thought you said 2015. I was like, what? I'm 20, soon 21. Okay. Am I the oldest here? Am I still the oldest? How old are you guys? You don't have, if you don't want to say it, don't say it. You don't have to say it, but someone's like, I'm 99 years old, alright? I'm 99 years old. You're not 13, that's a lot. I'm 2.3, 19. 19 homies, 7. I believe that. I believe that one. Who's the oldest here? Who's the oldest? I'm 1 billion. I'm the cheese age. Well, cheese could ferment for like 15 years. So, you could be 15 years old. Naplan. Oh, it's Naplan today. I am 1 billion. Alright. Oh yeah, Fabby50, have you seen my new transitions yet? I don't know if you've seen them yet. I want to show them to you. Have you seen them or not? Maybe you have. I don't really know. Maybe you watch the live stream later on or something like that. So let's say for int I equals horizontal. Oh, sorry. I is less than horizontal items. I plus plus. I've been watching every stream back. Ah, okay. So yeah, you've probably seen it. It's so sick though. So I'm gonna be having something like that on my main channel as well. I think like it'll be awesome for like my actual main videos, but I'm gonna make it like red. I'm gonna make it like red, but I also wanna do it again. It's just so awesome. I love it. It was actually really easy to create, by the way. Like, somehow I just got the idea, I'm like, I know how to do it. Like, it might not be the best way to do it, but like, I did it. And it's cool, and it works. There could be like, improvements to it, but I'm not gonna go into that. I'm the youngest on stream. Someone's like, I'm 2 years old. I'm 2 years old. I'm a programming master. Crayfish doesn't know how to program. I've been programming since I was born. Alright? Alright, so for horizontal items, we're just gonna do like a, just for now, like we're gonna do like some heckin' mock-up. Just to kind of see how it draws it. X plus item width. Y plus item height. Oh yeah, we'll need to do vertical items too, but don't worry about that for now. X plus I times item width plus I times padding. We need a color. You make me move. We need to have like an int x, because like we need to have that. This needs to be item x. I think that's that, and then we need like item y, which is then going to be just that for now. Because we haven't dealt with horizontal, we haven't dealt with vertical items yet. Alright, app grid, cool. Best app, best component so far. Verified by Mr. Crayfish, of course. App grid. Grid equals new. App grid, says 0. Can't you do item width plus padding? Oh yeah, you could probably do that. That's actually, yeah, that works. My bad. Very smart. I mean, the same could happen here somehow. But could do, yeah, 2 times, I don't know. I don't know if that would work there as well. Could work there as well, maybe. So let's say there's 5. Could work. Looks like it would work. Reduce it. Can't you do, yeah. I don't know where we need to put it. Horizontal items 3, vertical items 1. Alright, home page layout, add component, grid. Alright, there we go. Let's go test this out right now. Reload the game. I figured out my sponsor problem. My paycheck won't post in my bank account until tomorrow, so I'll sponsor in tomorrow's stream. Yo, Blue Barracuda. That'll be sick. And if you guys have ever considered becoming a sponsor, you know, consider becoming a sponsor. You get access to exclusive emojis, private Minecraft server, and more. Hashtag plug. Crayfish is a sellout. Now, if you guys have ever wanted to support and you've considered, you know, go to a sponsor, because we can get more. Custom. I just want the custom emojis. I think the custom emojis are sick. The custom emojis are sick. And I want to redo a lot of them. Like, I want to keep the yeet, but I want to redo a lot of them. If you guys have any suggestions for emojis, because I want them to be like stuff that actually relates to the live stream a lot more. So I think we'll remove young Greg and maybe, I don't know, some of the stuff. We'll keep the Teletubby, the yeet, maybe demonetized, because I want stuff that you guys will actually use and like, you know, use, like, makes sense to use it a lot in the live stream. So add Cray flashback. I know, that was a good meme. That was a good meme. I think it's a dead meme now though. It's a dead meme now though. Like, a lot of people don't understand it now. Like, it was like good for a little bit. It was good for a little bit. Uh-oh. 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 I'm wondering if when we did the item width, there might actually be a problem. I know, we did this completely wrong. Divided by horizontal items. My bad. There we go. And then we needed like +5 plus padding. And then as well, plus padding. There we go. Nice. Is 3 gonna be... I don't know. Do we make the icons like big? Is the icons gonna be big a good idea? I feel like having them big is gonna be better, I guess. Because then you can fit like the actual name of the application in here. Because like, the thing is with the text in Minecraft, it's hard to make it smaller than this. Otherwise it goes, the scale just goes all weird. Yeet! I was watching your last live stream. Awesome, Artem. How you doing, dude? Make a cracker emoji because you only have the cheese emoji. I do have a cracker emoji. Shouldn't you %? Number modulars. Wait, saying number percentage width. What do you mean? Height is number divided by width. Ah, it could be done, yeah. Height is number divided by width. Yeah, it can be done somehow. I don't know. What would the... I need to figure out what the calculation would be. Would it need like a base height though? The thing is, like, let's say you had 1. What if you had 1? Is it gonna be like how... I don't know. I feel like it's better to have like a standard... I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm gonna like have it mainly like just hard coded. Like the width of this is hard coded, the height will just be hard coded. Like, yeah. Because I feel like no one would want to use the... Like, I don't want anybody else to really use it. Because it's designed just for the app market. Width of 0 is just invalid. I mean, like, let's say it was a 1. They set horizontal items to 1. You mean like, okay, let's say if we add in 4, keep this rate. You're basically saying keep the ratio. Have the same ratio for the item sizes. So like, even if you shrunk this, it would be the same ratio. The thing is, then the scale gets all weird, and then it's harder to do, like, yeah, it gets difficult. But it can still be done. I just mean, I got a way to do it. I got a way to do it. Please add FPS games to your device mod. Yeah, it's a little bit too difficult. It can be done. Theoretically, it could be done, but I'm not gonna do it. Because I mean, we're using there's OpenGL access, so you can do whatever you want. You create your own game, create your own 2D game. I was thinking of porting. If you guys, I'm not sure if you guys were here in one of the live streams where I showed off like a project that I created in Flash, but it's basically added in like an RPG thing. Quick trivia for Ocelot, because I know he's like he hates and loves the Cherno, but a lot of that, I mean, not a lot of it, but like the kind of layout ish was kind of based on the 2D game, the 2D game series, game programming series. But obviously, I had to like design it for ActionScript instead, which is completely different, and was interesting to learn about ActionScript. Not that it's really used anymore, but like it was interesting learning and finding out the similarities and, you know, that type of stuff. His engine is bad, ideas are good. Yeah, there was, I mean, like, obviously, I didn't copy it exactly. I had to change it around for my own system. But like, it wasn't too bad. Like, the rendering, like, cause like I didn't have any dynamic, I didn't have animations or anything like that. Basically, like, rendering was really simple for some reason. Like, all I did in ActionScript, right, was, because like in ActionScript it's not like you're constantly rendering to the screen. You know, it weren't like constantly rendering to the screen. It was like you could just draw an image once and then you can move it around type thing. So I was literally just drawing one image, which theoretically like was, you know, somewhat efficient, because like I'm only drawing one image. Well, I don't really know what's behind the scenes, but because I'm not sure how, yeah, I'm not sure how ActionScript handles it behind the scenes. Like, does it draw only the visible part of it, or does it actually draw O and then leave it up to what's actually displayed? Not really sure. Alright, so we need to fix this up. That's gonna be, I don't know. Alright, at grid 90. I swear I went to sleep last night with my laptop playing a video. I know that was random, but I swear. Alright, there we go. That awkward gap there. Not really a lot we can do about that. It should have a minimum width. We can see, like, let's try and figure out how we can do this kind of ratio. What's our ratio gonna be? What's the calculation for the ratio, like for the height? That's one thing I don't know. What's our calculation for the height gonna be? It shouldn't have a minimum width. So then you can have a single bar if you want. Okay. Well then, okay, let's say we still have the height hard-coded like this, right? Let's say we still have the height hard-coded like this. Maybe we could make it a square instead. No, it won't work. No, it won't work, don't worry. Because I'd like to draw the icons at a 2x scale. Maybe in 3 times. Let's also draw that with just a gray. Can you please see my comments? I can see it. Please add a map for your town. What do you mean? Oh, you mean like a download? I'm not going to be giving out the download for my town, unfortunately. I might do like an updated map later on where you guys can download like maybe a bigger, you know, a part of the map that has more of it. But I don't want to give it out mainly because like, you know, it's like I don't know how to explain it. Like it's like my cool town. Like I like it that much. I don't know how to explain it. You know, it's like I put all this like. You can imagine like, oh, let's say you built, I don't know. Maybe we'll see in the future. If I get 1 billion likes on this video, I'll give it out. 1 billion likes. Trying to think how. We could have like maximum items. Like it could be maximum of 4 wide. A maximum of 4 wide. Exactly, it's his world, he does what he wants with it. You don't even have that much subscribers? What are you talking about? My main channel. It's my second channel. Cray, what are you planning to add in this vehicle Wednesday? I'm actually not sure, like, because we could either add a new vehicle, or we could work on adding some more features. I guess I could leave it up to you guys to decide. So yeah, could it be the new vehicle or new features? Because like there's a lot of features that I want to add in, like actual, like I want to add in some blocks. I want to add in like a launch ramp. I want to add in, fix up some physics. I want to do a lot of stuff. Because like we can continue adding vehicles, or we could actually work on maybe adding the crafting system of the vehicles, because that's one thing that a lot of people are asking for, is like a crafting system. Because now you can't, like right now you can only use the mod in creative mode or with cheats on. So I'll have to get that fixed. Wait, DMD, a potential algorithm? What? What are you talking about? Us a lot. PM. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm really trying to build the same one, but I still mess up. Add a new vehicle, then the next one can be features. Yeah, we can. I'll do it like a Twitter poll. I'll do like a Twitter poll and see what people want. Because like, the longer we hold off with the crafting, like, the longer we're holding back the mod in a way. Like, if we get the crafting done, now, and then after that we can start adding more vehicles. How's this going to work? What, the crafting, or... DM'd a potential algorithm. I completely did not... I thought you should have put a DM'd apostrophe. Alright, so number of rows. Oh, I know what you're talking about, yeah. Yeah, that's if you're working with like a one-dimensional. Yeah. I'm aware of how to lay it out using modulus. Because like, yeah, if we're gonna, because I haven't included the vertical items yet, but like you could have like, you know, we'll do it on the outside first for int. We'll have to change this around. I could call it j equals 0, j is less than vertical items, j++. And then item y would become, yeah, if you're working with a one-dimensional array, then it's different. I mean, if you're working with like, you know, just a normal, it's not really an array, but it's just like a sequence. If you're working with one loop, then you would have to use modulus to calculate the y, or the x, sorry. The x position. But if you've got like 2 loops, you can deal with, you know, all the stuff really easily. Because then it can be y times j times item height plus j times padding plus padding. And then again, you could do something like this. Pretty much the same thing. Shouldn't change at all. There we go. How's this going to work? App Store thing. So certified apps is going to come up, and then because we can display all the applications, but we're not going to do that. So what I'm going to do down here is have like certified apps, and then we're going to have like just like random apps. We're going to have like, we won't call it random apps, but we'll just say like, you know, apps or something, and there'll be like view more, and then you can view all of them. Same thing, but more efficient in one loop. Yeah, I don't... Is one loop really that more efficient in Java? Like, I've heard of it, but... I've heard of that technique, but I've never heard that it actually has any more performance increase, really, on such a small scale. Say Java is one loop more. I don't know. Java nested loop versus single loop. Okay, maybe apparently stuff like the first loop gets optimized, but then the second doesn't. But there's nothing really to optimize about this at all, because like these values change all the time. Maybe it's because these are defined inside of it. It might not. Maybe to put, I don't know, maybe put that outside of the loop. I would have to look at the bytecode to see if it actually did affect it. Because if it's smaller bytecode, then it'd be more efficient. Like, I'm not gonna do it now because no point, but like we could have, you know, you could do something like this. I know, like we could do like ins times, you could do vertical items times horizontal items. Oopsie. Do something like this, and then you would do this would be like I modulo horizontal items J, oh sorry, I divided by horizontal items. That's the difference, and if we reload that, it should be exactly the same. Yeah, there we go. Still the same. So that's the only difference. It really depends how you want to do it. Like, readability wise, sometimes the nested can be better. But I think because like in this situation we're not dealing with like, sometimes when you're dealing with like an actual array, it's good to do it like this. Because if you have, I never use 2D, I don't like using 2D arrays anymore. They're really bad. But like for a one-dimensional array, I would do something like this because you're not, like if you use a 2D array, you're actually jumping memory. Basically, I'm not sure how behind the scenes I know, but a 2D array is basically an array of arrays. So they could be in multiple locations in your memory. Oh my god, what the heck is this? It's Master Chief! Oh, it's Fabby 50!
I don't know.
Oh my god. That was one of the legit, that was a legendary super chat, right? Oh, legendary donation right there. We need someone just to spam beep as a donation thing. Yeah, never use, like just never use multi-dimensional arrays. Always just use, I mean there's some instances where maybe it's alright, but like sometimes a 1D array is a lot better than everything else because the memory will always be in the same location. And you go in order instead of jumping around the place. So yeah, that's basically what you suggested to do, something like this. And I'm sure if you actually, even if you put this in here like that, Java would probably optimize that and do exactly like this. Because like these values don't change. But I'm not too sure. Seems like Streamlabs is working fine. I wonder if it's working fine. Let me see if the text-to-speech is working fine. That rectangle needs to have padding added. What do you mean? It does have padding. It does have padding. So I wanted to actually do something like this. App Store, let's go here. Steal that. You see. It'd be good to actually have this like as a value that's not, yeah. Oh my god! Ew.
How long can this go on for?
Cheers, Fabby50 for the second donation there. Oh my god. I like it. Best donation we've ever had. It's just funny how it says it. Darker. Brighter. Ew, it looks bad. The thing is, a lot of this will change. Just keep color as an int. Love. Color.gray. Actually, yeah, I really need to use my own kind of color. Why? Oh my god.
What is going on?
I'm too tired for this. Also, Light's like, what the heck? Crayfish! Keep it as an int! Why? I'm always judged. I'm always judged. What do you mean always keep it as an int? The thing is, dynamic. The thing is, like, I want to have that color and then create variations of it. So, there's ways to do it, but it's easier to wrap it inside of a color and just use some brighter and darker things. Plus, it actively gets the header color. But I don't know what color to do it as. Then jump the color int. What do you mean jump the color? Like, you could copy the brighter and darker methods, then put them in your class, but it doesn't change anything really. If you look at the brighter and darker methods of color, you'll see that. Wait, what's the heck? Factor. Interesting. So just basically, yeah, just times times the values by something. The thing is, it needs to be converted, like, I don't know. It has to be converted back to an int value. I wonder if we can times just this value here. But then it'll times the alpha as well. So you gotta be careful about that. Like, you can't just do like times 0.5. Because that would give us an alpha value. Yeah, it doesn't work properly like it should. Interesting to see if it worked. Shift it, modify, then shift back. But then I'm just like, why do I do it when color already does that for me? Color already does that for me. And then it also gives me, yeah. Like the color class already does it for me. Memory management. You're saying I shouldn't use an actual class to help me? It does the same thing but inside a class. Let's have a look. Where's the color constructor? Where's new color?
This is not a donation.
See, like, that's basically all it does. Oh yeah, hold up. Yeah, there. Blah. RGB A. But then again, I hate these whatever these annotations are. You construct a new color each frame. No, it will be no less memory. Well, there's probably extra things inside of the color class that don't need to be there. Like this. And this. Mind you though, I don't know if they get initialized. When do they get initialized? Something like that. They only get initialized when you create a float RGB value. I think Cray is sleepy. Maybe have one instance and change the color. Boom, 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 boom. Like, I need to create a utility class to do it. Alright, let's get some progress done. We haven't done anything. It's been an hour and we've drawn 3 boxes. Oh my god. Alright. Heck the system for now. GG. Cray got unbanned from the creative server. Awesome. Then render util.draw application icon. Why are you using that method, Crayfish? Why are you using that method? Draw application icon. Boom, 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 boom. So we will need to. We're just gonna do hack it for now, but we're just gonna be like application manager to get application. For now, because I just want to get I just want to render it for now. We'll also need to doesn't even know. Copy that actually, and we need to change the scale. Where is it? UV. I don't want to scale it, so yikes. Yikes! Whoa. Yikes! Scale it somehow. Certified applications. These are legit stuff. GL State Manager, it's Minecraft's OpenGL State Manager class with a bunch of utility methods. I know I can do GL whatever color, but basically it's its own state thing. Geoscale. Yeah, I know I could use geoscale, but the problem if I use geoscale is that the X and the Y positions get scaled as well. Whereas if I just scaled the actual width and height, then it actually keeps the same X and Y. Did you watch Eurovision? I really liked it. I love how a street... Nah, I don't watch Eurovision. It's a challenge of who can be the most outrageous. Who can be the most outrageous? I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. Translate before scaling, mate. I know. But we could just do it like this instead. I can specify an X and Y without even having to do it. It's no faster. It's no faster because I'm still going to be calling this method. Still going to be calling this method. Which is messier? What's messier? Translating and scaling, or like this? I like how Australian Girl was singing. I don't even know what was going on, so I wouldn't know who sung. Which is messier? Dat? This? How's it messier? Messy. Check Streamlabs. Wait, what? Is there a thing that went on? Wait, you donated? What the heck? Did I miss this? Hey! Master Chief donated $10. How did I miss that? I don't know.
This is not a donation.
Somehow I missed it. This is not a donation. Yo, that's what's up, Master Chief. Thank you for the $10 donation there. Can we get some hype for Master Chief right now? In the chat. Post your yeet emojis. You're doing great, Cray. You're the best YouTuber ever. I liked and shared the stream. Yo, Mega One. That's what's up, dude. Thanks for the support. Yeet. I dislike Eurovision. It's silly. Let's have a look. Eurovision 2018 winner. Let's have a look at some images. Yeah, I never understood it. Probably some weird thing. I don't know. Oh my god, so many yeets. What if the texture for apps changed? What do you mean? The winning song sucked. It's like, who can be like the weirdest? I don't know. Who can be the weirdest person wins. I'm probably it's probably not the weirdest person. There's probably like a legitimate reason why somebody wins on there, but but still, it's boring and not interesting. Like I hate shows like the X Factor, all those talent shows, because like it's always like pan to the audience. Oh. Like they pan to the audience and they're like shocked. They're like crying. And they're like, all they have to do is say, "This is dedicated to my mum." Like it's all about getting the emotions high. My mum's alive, but this one's dedicated to my mum. Like, it's all about just hitting the feels. And, like, I never fall for it. Because I just think, like, a lot of their shows are just boring. Give me some real edgy entertainment. None of this normie stuff. I would just walk in and get the prize if it was the weirdest person who wins. Please just do something. Mouse helper. I know, what did I think I did like if geo helper is, I don't know. What did I rename it? I got too many help. I need to really fix up my util package. It's like geo, I hope. I need to fix up these methods too. Oh my god. Item X. Item Y. Oopsie, no, sorry. Mouse X. Mouse Y. Item X. Item Y. Item width. Item height. else. Alright, I should do like weird stuff now. Cool. The winner had 3 launch pads on stage and didn't even touch them. I mean, what's the point? Not even plugged in. Sure, like a light green. I think I got like a highlight color. Ugh. Settings, color scheme, what do I got? Item highlight color, item background color. Alright, let's go like, whoa, no. Laptop.get system, get settings, get color scheme, get item highlight color. Get item background color. Ah, that's nice. There we go. Balance. Aesthetic pigment. 1080 Ti, my dude. 1080 Ti. Whenever I export my model in Minecraft, they don't render all the way. What do I do? What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean by that. You know what's funny, Fappy50? When you said the winner had 3 launch pads, I thought of Fortnite. They had 3 launch pads in their inventory, alright? They didn't even use them. Didn't even place them down. They could have launched up in the air and flew. But they didn't even use it. Like, what a noob move. Like, seriously, 3 launch pads. Didn't even use them to her advantage in the final round. Like, you gotta be joking me. Didn't even use the 3 launch pads. Could have clutched. Could have carried the team. But no. What a waste of launch pads. I'm funny. I'm hilarious. There's no stopping what I feel inside. Baby, I can't make you right. I think we can do something like bind it. Just for now, we're doing that. Me in the backseat of my car, timeless, setting free. Alright, so we need to do some more calculations. We need to do like int icon offset equals item width. We could do this outside of it, by the way. Item width take. Item width take. Take 14 times 3. We'll fix up these values later on. Item X plus icon offset. Item Y plus like 5. Boom. I call brain cell hacks. How many years of college did you take to learn all this? 0. Can I donate $500? I would say no, because I don't want you to do that. I understand pretty much all of this. Also self-taught. YouTube should have a feature where we pay like $20 a year to sponsor your favorite channels, because if that existed, I would grab 20 and throw it at my screen to sponsor Mr. Crayfish. I mean, like, if a viewer paid $20 a year to sponsor a channel, that's like still better than ad revenue. Even though it'd be like $2 a month. But yeah, $20 a year is nothing. Especially if you're making money. Because it's only like $2 a month. Less than $2 a month. It's like $1. You could find $2 on the street. I throw $20 a month at Cray. Actually throws it at me. I throw bands at Mr. Crayfish. I throw rolls of cash at Mr. Crayfish. Cray, can you add Cray Bay? And you can order items and then a drone will fly to the requested coordinates. It's not a bad idea. I was thinking of doing something like that, to be honest. Like, actual like drops from the sky. Sponsored to this channel, main channel, and is $15 Patreon. Holy shoot, dude. The actual support is legit from Fabby50 at the moment, my dudes. I throw bars of gold at Cray. Dude, I'd be rich then. I'd be rich if that was the case. Let's do render util.draw string clipped info.getName item X. Item Y. Width is going to be item width take padding times 2. Color shadow true. We'll say int. Oh no, we don't need to do that. We just need to do plus padding. Uh-oh. I'm gonna give it a shot. Int. We need to do like int. So, okay, clip string to width. We'll say string clipped equals render util.clip string to width info.getName item width take padding times 2. So we do that and then we say int text offset equals take laptop dot font renderer get string width clipped divided by 2. Whoa! Whoa! I don't think we just need to render draw We don't really need to do that anymore. Let's do laptop.fontRender.draw string clipped item X plus text offset plus item Y true. If he picks it up or not, that's his choice. Is yeeting a new way of sending things like FedEx or Amazon Prime? True, they should include like a yeet service. They should include a yeet service. Yeet! Ba-da-bum, bum 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 ba-da-bum. I feel smart part of a special team when I watch this stream. FedEx yeets delivers before you send it. Well, sometimes there's like videos of like mail guys like yeeting actual packages at the door. They're like yeet and break it. They actually yeet it. You should make it scroll horizontally. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna have like certified apps, and then I'm gonna have like a button that says like view all. I can't be. Yeah, I don't know. I could have horizontal thing, but I don't know. I think your icon is obstructing the view of the text. I'm not sure though. I don't know. No, it's not. It's not. Perfect. What other information should we include? In the darkest line. We have like name, author, description. Should we add the author to it? Or the version? Author as well, version and author. The thing is, like, author, right? Apparently Alex is trying to get, Alex wants me to merge like his new patch which includes multiple authors. I have got a server that you can play with me. It's called my sponsor server. By becoming a sponsor, $5 a month. $5 a month. And then you get access to it. Automatically. Alright, let's think. Obviously there won't be like 3 note stashes in a row, but like for the app grid, I'll have like a way to populate it with items. Note stash. Is there like a drawer? Alright, let's have a look. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there was like a way to draw like a centered string, but it does like the same thing. There's saying info dot get author. Then we'll say false. I don't know. Light gray plus 60. 62. In GUI screen, not static. Ah, okay. So if you have app ideas, you add it, will our names be there? No, if you create your own app, your own name will be there. Add version after name. It's just getting long. The thing's just getting long now though. Plus, oh no, I did do +5 on that already. It's just getting long now. That's the thing, we're adding too much information. Like I feel like app version's not too important. Maybe we could make it only render. What I might do is like do this. Only if the mouse is there, render the background. So we can have like this, right? That's pretty cool. Do something like that instead. Obviously fix it up, but like gray. Now I just need a web handler store certified apps, and yeah, basically. So yeah, still a bit to do to this. I want to draw like just like maybe in like an outline. I don't know. I don't like the color of that. I like dark gray would be better. Nah, still not good. What does white look like? No. At this point, I probably am back Blue Barracuda. Oh. You're awake for Cray streams. 5 AM. For some reason, Discord will not open. Will not open for my laptop. Let's increase that offset, maybe 180. Oh, too much. Too much. There we go. Perfect. That looking fresh. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the look of that? I mean, obviously, maybe some things. I need to change like the height of this. Maybe to be reduced a little bit there. But it's looking pretty good. There was also the option that we do as well, like, we could do like this. Get, let's see. Alright, let's just do like. So this adds like a border around it. Maybe not dark grey, maybe just normal grey. That's pretty good. What do you guys think? That looks cool. The only thing is it's hard to read the crayfish. The Mr. Crayfish bit down the bottom there. Bum, ba bum 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 bum. Nice little highlight for it. Certified apps, absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead. Let's do another grid down below and can application manager, what can we do with application manager? We can actually get all applications. Get available applications. Okay. Get a collection of that. Alright. Can we, does a color, yeah, a collection has like a app info. Add a method to return all verified apps from online. Yeah, I'll have to do something like that. Does get? Yeah, the problem with using a collection is we don't get access to like stuff like get I. We can convert it to an array. Can convert it to an array. We can say like this dot apps equals apps dot to array new app info 0. And then we can say size equals math dot min apps dot length. And then we can say, get rid of that. We can say, maybe here instead, app info equals apps I. Cool. Do you feel alive? I don't have a clue. Alright, we need to stop this and relaunch it. And I'll do application manager. Get system applications. We'll do system applications for that, and then we'll go ahead and then we'll add in like other, I don't know. We will rename them better later on. Get available applications, so there's a normal applications. Make it 3 by 2. And then we need to adjust the positioning of it. Where'd that render? 172. Maybe like 180 on that? I don't know. How do you learn to write JavaScript with intent to make... How did you learn to write... I mean, it's not JavaScript, it's just Java. JavaScript completely different. I just practiced. I actually started off making Minecraft mods first. My first thing, I created Minecraft mods before I actually learned Java. One, two, three, aha, keep winning. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Oh, we gotta fix up my name thing, but oh, we almost got it right. It needs like an extra 10. Make sure we get it right. It needs like an extra 2 now. Yeah, that's right. Ah, look how slight issue. We'll fix that up though. Ah, it looks so beautiful. Certified apps, other applications. It's so beautiful. Do we make it 3 times or do we make it 2 times? Because we could have more applications being displayed. Wow. Wow, wow, wee wow. Oh no, if we make it smaller though, the problem then becomes that text like this will become even cropped more. So like, see how file browser actually fits on here? If we actually made it 4 items here, then it would be like file brow. It would be like file brow. We'll fix up the Mr. Crayfish thing though. How much more do we need on that? Certified apps. We could reduce the padding for app grids to like 3. I don't think 5 is hard-coded anywhere. Oh, it is. Is there any 5s? Any 5s around? Maybe like 3 instead. And then everything becomes... Chat's dead. That's not. Your mama dead. Not really, but... Because like right now it is kind of big. It's kind of big. I don't want it to be as big. I don't know, what do you guys think? I just stopped to say hello. Yeet! Yeah, what's up, TG? Lel. You guys think it's too big? The problem is if we make it smaller, then you start to lose the actual... Like, you won't be able to fit any of the names on the actual thing. Obviously, might be able to reduce like the padding in between. Because like right now it just feels cramped. Why didn't you make a video today? I didn't have them ready, unfortunately. Stuff happens, and yesterday it was actually Mother's Day, so pretty much the whole entire day I didn't have any time to work on a video. And that's understandable. It was Mother's Day. But there will be one tonight, my dude, don't worry. We could actually do this. We could actually make it... We could actually make it so if we actually hover something, it comes up with a pop-up. Like a, not a pop-up, like a, when you hover over an item. So when you hover over an item, it comes up with like this kind of thing here. I mean, we could make our own custom one, basically. But like, then it allows us to kind of resize things, but I don't know. Like file browser. But then again, it's kind of like good to see the title of it though. Make a beautiful one like the advancements menu. Ah! Well, awesome, I can't see what the advancements menu is like. Why isn't there any like default advancements? Isn't there default advancements? How come I don't see any? How come I don't have advancements? Grab a crafting table, Cray. Maybe it's just this world. Hold up. Let's create a new world. There it is. You have to start surviving. I turned off like I think I ruined that world. Go back. Survival mode. Just saying game mode S. We just need a crafting table. Imagine if I had to craft a table. Ah, there we go. Ah, I see. That's so beautiful. They did a really good job at that. Add your own advancements, Cray. Yeah, I wouldn't mind doing something like that. I would do like, yeah, like crafting the actual laptop. Craft the actual laptop and stuff like that. Getting an upgrade. See you later, whoever that is. Okay. Oh. Cray, when we start becoming a YouTuber, that should be known as Crayfish Day. What do you mean? When we release a town download alongside with the mods in the town, not anytime soon. So I want to give out my world. I've given out my mansion so far. I mean, that was kind of a thing already, but like not like an actual updated mansion with my color scheme and whatnot. But like, somebody has actually created like a fan world. They actually recreated my world just from looking at videos, which is pretty insane. So yeah, something like that in the App Store would be cool. Cut the check. The day you upload your first video should be called Crayfish Day. Add clicking now. Can be done. I think I got item list. I think it's like file browser actually. Nope. Yes. App grid. I really need to handle it in like item list alone. Oh no, don't worry. Last click. Handle mouse click. Blah blah blah. Item X. Oh my god. X position. Yeah, this is fine to use now. X position. Or Y position. So I say last click, and then we also need a private int click index, because we need to like make sure they actually double click on the same thing. And then we can say blah blah blah. I think it's like here. Say last click, and we'll say this dot clicked index equals I, and I. Oh, sorry, clicked index equals I. Then we'll say this dot last click equals 0. Reset it. I guess reset it back to 0. We add a new listener type. If I was gonna do like double click listener, I'd rather implement it into the actual click listener. Like in here for the actual listener. For the click listener, I would have like a boolean called double. Right, boolean. I mean, I wouldn't be able to do, I don't know, something like double. Because like we're still like, because we haven't released a initial version, we can change around the API however we like. App click listener. Oh no, like listeners I don't want to be too specific about, like I want them to be versatile. And then, okay, we have another problem as well that we don't actually have access to. Because, like, okay, I can make, like, it can either have a listener. I know what you're meaning now. Ocelot. This is an API thing, though. I know what you mean now. Because right now we don't have a way to actually open the application, really. Like, we actually need a way so we can open the application. Like, we need to call this method here, open application. So this needs to be like a public. And then like app grid needs an instance of this. Yeah, no, I know I can do like an interface and do like a click listener, but like app grid, like the thing is like anything that's outside of the API package is not intended for kind of use within your own applications. So like I can make components specific for the App Store. Like I feel like personally I would never use app grid outside of the App Store, because there's no real use for it. This ain't in the API package. This is not in the API package. This is in my own specific package for the App Store only. I don't know what you're going on, Ocelot. I have components designed only for other applications, not in the actual API package. It's not there, it's down here, look. What's that? App grid. App grid. Because I don't want it to be like used for other stuff. It's not versatile at all. It's literally for one specific task only. I saw it in the API. I don't know where you saw that from, dude. I don't know where you saw that. Store.open application. I have to be careful here because this might actually... I don't think it will. We'll see. Apps. I don't think this would give us any sort of exception. Oopsie. This. Because I'm pretty sure I even had that for the search. Where is it? Button manage apps, button search. Oh no, I did have like a... wait no. Set current layout. Oh no, here, search apps. I gave it App Store instance so I can handle clicks. What are we working on? And don't say device mod. What do you mean? We're working on more stuffs. We're working on the dab mod at the moment. The dab mod. Funny how that was a meme. Someone actually made that into a meme and it got popular. Like, what's your biggest achievement in programming history or something like that? What programming are you most proud of? Dab mod. I literally made it in a day. Hey, nice. So I can't go to like these applications. I'm clicking between the two, in between the time. Whoa, dude, that looks awesome. Thanks, dude. What happened to my image? There it is. Don't know what happened there. It didn't get loaded properly for some reason. I blame the image. Oh. Something's not being called when we load back to here. Rest in pepperonis. Why doesn't that get called? It must get called at a weird time. That's kind of awkward. Why doesn't that get called? It's not loading it up. It's because it gets deleted. That needs to be fixed. But yeah, it looks good. We'll say certified apps, and then maybe we'll say like other. We'll just call it other apps. You should make a mod that allows you to become a YouTuber, make and edit videos in Minecraft. Not gonna happen, dude. A video editor in Minecraft? No. You think I'm gonna create a better one? I'm not gonna be able to create a better one. Video editing software is expensive for a reason. Because it's flippin' hard to create. Other apps, and then we'll say community created. Let's say everything else. What should we call, like, do we have a description for the other one or not? I don't know. Verified by Mr. Crayfish. I was gonna say community created, but I don't know. But like some of them could be like how far do we need to offset this? So it's 60 and then it made it 66. So 172 we then become 178. Uh-oh. Certified apps verified by Mr. Crayfish. Other apps community created. That's pretty cool. What do you guys think? We could also change around the home page layout, set scroll speed maybe like 10. Scroll quicker now. It looks awesome. Certified apps. Certified. We need to make the layout longer as well. Pay layout height. I don't know. 3. It's 400. What'd it do? Yeah, too much. Maybe like 360 might do the job. Nope. Nope. 368. 368. Oh my god, it's Casey Neistat's brand. If that's the correct value, it is. Oh my god. 368. Casey Neistat's new brand. We still need to add in like browse more button. If we sail, make scrolling smooth, please. I can't, so I mean I can, but I can't actually. I can't make it smooth because we're not using doubles or floats. Basically, it would look like this. And that's hard to read. Then use doubles. You don't know the implications of changing everything to doubles right now. It's gonna break everything in the entire mod, and that's why it's gonna take 8. I mean, like, I want to do it, but I'm not doing it now. Because it's gonna break everything in the mod. And I need to update literally everything. Damn it. Note stash. Oh, you know what we could do now? We could actually have a scrollable layout here for the description. That's something we haven't been able to do. Scrollable layout for the description. That'll work perfectly. It's so weird because now we can actually design things not with like this limited area. We actually have as much area as we want now. Like a lot of this stuff was designed with like with one layout in mind, but now I can actually have a long description, which makes more sense now. What do you guys think? Rate it out of 10. Where's my cat? Ah, there's my beautiful cats. Ah, cash back, cash money. Cash money, my dudes. Some Benjamin Franklins. 6.5, 9.375, 10 out of 10. Hey Cray, pronounce my name. I'm not even going to attempt to. Pratyush. Pratyush. Nerwin. Nerwin? I don't know. I want to install the icons application for show. I need to do things like other apps. Like, we need to have like a thing like where it says like if it's installed or not. Maybe we'll have like a little tick here that renders if it's installed. Just so you know. Maybe like a tick here near the icon. Like installed already, jeez. For my games, I always just override the render method. That's also why, what do you mean? That's why I also don't use components, what do you mean? Yeah, it's so annoying. I can't scroll to like that bit there. Like works perfectly like that, but what I want to do as well is get rid of this. I don't want to use the standard layout. And then we can have like, we can still have these. Maybe. Maybe we just have them like up here. Alright, that's pretty good. I think that's it for today, guys. We got a lot of progress done. I would say this is good progress, because the App Store is something that has been neglected for a very, very long time. So, good to get some progress done. Hopefully, you guys have enjoyed. If you have, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right in half. I'm going to go ahead and read out the retweet right now, my dudes. 18 retweets. Damn, you guys are going crazy. You guys got absolutely crazy on the retweets. We got Vu Hoang Hi. We got Acid Pop, 44 TNT, Eggs TV, Jack Chronicle, The Real P Password, Fabi50, Nation Angels, Abby, Builder Boy 426, Blue Barracuda Animations, Scatterstrike Studios, Blue Barracuda, Haunted Corpse, Lister Sapanta, King Polar, Master Chief, M1 Jordan Allen, J Splat, and that is it. Thank you guys so much. Oh, hold up, last minute retweet. Ocelot, why didn't you retweet at the start of the live stream? I'm very disappointed in you. I need new API features. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. We didn't do a cheese hype today, which is unfortunate, but oh well. But thank you guys for coming along. I'll catch all you guys later. Tomorrow, we're going to try and do a 5-day stream this week. We didn't do it last week. We're going to try and do it this week. The only reason I didn't do it last week is because on Thursday, I had a problem with main channel upload, and it really it annoyed me, so I didn't do it. I did 4 out of 5, but we're going to try and do a 5 out of 5 this week. Pray for me. But I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.